Discovering Palma's most fascinating attractions is a must when visiting the capital of Mallorca on a day trip or a city break. Due to thoughtful city planning and extensive renovations in the old town, the city is more appealing than ever. Millions of tourists are drawn to the so-called Pearl of the Mediterranean, each year by its vibrant lifestyle, which is brimming with Mediterranean flair both during the day and at night. Palma was ranked as one of the best places to live in the world by the Sunday Times. More than half of the people on Mallorca live in Palma, the capital of the Spanish Balearic Islands. The neighborhoods of Palma include the lively Born district, also known as the Golden Mile, the main shopping avenue of Amenida James III, the historic Casco Antiguo neighborhood, also known as Palma Old Town, the well-liked tourist destination La Luna, and the hip Santa Catalina neighborhood. Escape to Palma's best boutique hotels for a romantic 5-star luxury stay in the center of the Mediterranean. Beautiful sea views, close proximity to Palma's top beaches, hip urban beach clubs during the day, and lively rooftop terraces at night. Enjoy a vacation in Palma to explore the off-the-beaten-path hidden gems, vintage designer shopping, and genuine regional cuisine. Among the places to see there are the Cathedral, the Almudena Palace, the Lonia Fish Market and Plaza Mayor. The most stunning monuments are encircled by palm trees, fishing boats and pine forests. Coves, beaches and cliffs dot the island's coastline, and inland are typical towns and mountain ranges that soar to heights of 1,500 meters. Visitors are encouraged to explore every part of Mallorca and learn more about the island's cuisine by the variety of the landscape and culture. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. In addition to its thriving yachting industry, urban beaches, waterfront promenade and extensive cultural scene that includes top-notch museums and art galleries, traditional annual local festivals and live music concerts, Palma is appealing all year long. There are an abundance of new trendy restaurants, luxury boutique hotels, fashionable bars with views at designer shopping boutiques and popular nightclubs. Es Baluard Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, one of the most significant museums in the city, has permanent collection that includes paintings, sculptures, ceramics and drawings by artists like Cézanne, Gauguin, Picasso, Miro, Magritte or Giacometti. Even just the view, which includes the Paseo Maritimo and La Luna, is breathtaking. In Palma, the seafront promenade winds past extensive sandy beaches, unexpected bays, and upscale beach clubs. Everyone can find a sunny, sandy location that suits them, whether they are fishermen looking for peace and quiet or families with young children. The only issue you'll face in Palma is running out of time to see everything because there are so many things to do and see there.